viewers to Startup News. I am Aishwarya Nair. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are Indian geospatial market to soar by 2025. Antler India to invest in 30 blockchain and Web 3.0 startups. Spinny enters the Unicorn Club. Now the news in detail are the geospatial market in India is currently valued at Rs 38,972 crores. It is expected that the country's geospatial economy can touch Rs 63,100 crores by the end of 2025. Industry leaders and ministers speaking at the launch of the India Geospatial Artha report said that the recent policy updates on geospatial, remote sensing, and drone technology will boost the domestic industry and innovation ecosystem. Indian VC firm Antler India, a unit of Singapore-based venture capital platform Antler, has committed to invest in 25 to 30 startups in the blockchain and Web 3.0 space in the next 2 to 3 years. It plans to deploy $100 to $150 million over 100 Indian startups over the next 3 years, of which $50 million is committed to the Web 3.0 space. Spinny, a used car retailing platform, joins the Unicorn Club as it has raised $238 million in a Series E funding round led by Abu Dhabi-based ADQ, Tiger Global, and Avenir Growth. The round also saw participation of existing investors, Feroz Devan's Arena Holdings, and Think Investments that valued Spinny at around $1.8 billion. Stock investment and trading platform Dhan has announced its launch of direct trade via chart in partnership with TradingView. With this launch, users can directly trade via TradingView charts in equity options and future for indices, equity, commodity, and currency. Pine Labs, an online payments and merchant solution firm, is in the final stages of talks to raise $100 million from Falcon Edge, after which it will be valued at around $5 to $5.5 billion. It also aims to list in the US before the end of the first half of financial year 2022. MoEngage, a customer engagement platform, has raised $30 million led by SteadView Capital. The round also saw participation from Multiples Alternate Asset Management, 8 Road Ventures, F Prime Capital, and Matrix Partners. Net Monastery NSPL, the security information and event management solution provider, has raised an undisclosed pre-Series A round from Sharad Sanghi, CEO, entity NetMagic. The funding will be used to increase Net Monastery's market presence across the globe. Agrostar, an agri-tech startup, has raised $70 million from Evolvence, Schroders Capital, Hero Enterprise, and UK's development finance institution CDC to expand its business across India and future growth. RateGain, a travel and hospitality software as a service company, opened for subscription to raise Rs 1,336 crore from its IPO. The price band has been fixed at Rs 405 to 425 per share. Ahead of the opening for public subscription, the company announced raising Rs 598.83 crore from 34 marquee investors. Gurugram-based healthcare startup Pristine Care has become India's fourth health tech startup to enter the Unicorn Club. It has raised $84 million in a new funding round led by Sequoia Capital. The funding round also saw participation from Tiger Global, Hummingbird Ventures, Epic Capital, QED, Amber Winter, and others. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.